If you wanted to get band 7 in your writing task, then you have to use relative pronoun as a complex structure. We can use this structure in both writing task 1 and 2. When we use it and why? We can use relative pronoun to give extra information about something. It comes after noun. Which, who, that, these are relative pronoun. Let's understand it by rule number 1. First, the verb in the relative clause must follow singular subject text singular verb. What do you mean by that? It means you have to use the subject verb agreement appropriately. Let's understand it by example. Obesity, which is a hazardous disease, is being increased in many developing countries. Here we put which is a relative pronoun, and obesity our subject. Which is hazardous disease is our relative clause, which gives extra information about obesity, and obesity is our noun. So one thing is most important is that we must use commas before and end of the relative clause. What is a clause, students? Clause is a subject and verb combination. It is a very hard chapter of English lesson, but here I wanted to give my best. Obesity is singular, therefore we use singular verb in the clause. If we write a singular noun, that we must have to use singular verb. Here obesity is a singular, therefore we use is, which is a singular verb. Some students do not use relative clause such as which is hazardous disease. They only write obesity is being increased in many developing countries. But students, we have to put extra information. That is why we use relative clause. You have to follow this if you planning to get band 7. Let's see second example. Students should take volunteering work which is unpaid work, enhance knowledge and experience. Here we use noun such as students should take volunteering work which is our noun. After that we put comma and put a which is a relative clause which is unpaid work which contains a subject verb combination such as is our verb. Students is a plural noun, that is why we use plural verb here in hence. You must have to put commas before and end of the relative clause. Second rule is that use commas after one clause. For example, Madame Curie, who discovered radium. Here we use relative pronouns such as who. If you want to write about people, then you have to use who or that. For things, we have to use which or that, and use where as a relative pronoun for place. Use that as relative pronoun. For example, money is spent on old building that can help in various ways. Here we put that as a relative pronoun. Money is our noun, and after that relative pronoun we use help, which is our verb. I mean to say both sentences have subject and verb, such as money is spent on building. Here money is our subject and is our verb. And second is that can help in various way. Here help is our verb. Second example is schools must focus on science subject that can enhance knowledge in their upcoming life. Schools is our noun and focative pronoun. We use enhance as a verb and object. We do not use commas to use that as a relative pronoun. You must have to remember this thing. Who is also relative pronoun. For example, people who are living in another country may face difficulty in terms of speaking language. Here people is our noun and are living is our relative clause. It's mandatory to have subject and verb combination which called clause. If you still in any trouble that how to use relative clause, then comment down. I will check it. You should use this kind of sentence variation in your writing task too. We simply put here people may face difficulty in terms of speaking languages. But it seems too simple. Instead of this, we should write relative pronouns such as who are living in another country. It seems variation in your writing task too. Also, we can use which relative pronoun for writing task 1. First of all, let's see the structure so that you can easily understand the sentence. First of all, we use noun plus which, in which subject verb is mandatory. After that, stood at plus percentage plus preposition plus that. Now we read the example. A number of car production which were second highest stood at 22% in 2000. Here a number of car production which is our noun. After that we put which and we must use comma before and end of the clause, so we can use it. Also here highest is our verb. After that we use stood at. After that we use percentage and that. You should use commas here if you planning to get band 7 or higher. Please practice this structure and comment by using this structure. I will check it. If you like my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care.